This light is so versatile. That's what you're going to love about this, is that there's two different ways to hang it up. You can have it plugged in and hanging from the ceiling if you want to. You can even have it on the side of the wall. You can get creative on wherever you want to put this thing. For me personally, I like it a little bit lower because whenever I do some woodworking projects, I like to be able to see really, really well while I'm doing it. Plus, it's LED, so you don't have to worry about changing any stinking light bulbs with this thing. You got a really good long cord on it as well. Two different ways to hang it up. You got this little rod that screws in right in there, like that. Plus, you can also hang it suspension-wise from the ceiling, so you have a little bit more of a gap in there. The other great feature that you didn't really notice it until now, since I've been using it, is that it is kind of warm, right? So this could also be used for anything that you need a little bit of a heat lamp for. I love having this feature whenever it's cold outside. I'm doing work in my garage and I have everything right here, got the truck backed out. It actually gives me a little bit of warmth. Really grateful I was able to partner with this company. Here it is from the back, so you can see all that metal. Really, really high-end light right here.